Can you start me 24 for someone else?
Yeah, do you need another car?
If there's one available, he's just a little out of it right now.
Hi, I'm calling because there's an individual on a vacancy on South Richardson Ave, 24 South Richardson Ave. They're yelling unintelligible words, and they're clearly under the influence of drugs, just rolling around in the middle of the property.
Like outside or inside?
There's no house on the property. It's a vacant lot with just grass. They're outside.
Yeah, the key and the boys are not in the alley.
Hey man, you okay?
Or probably thought it may have been related, but it's not related. The key and the
You
boys
doing alright?
they may be in the area. So if you push them out, they'll circulate.
What you got going on, man? Your pants are down. What? I'll be in the alley in the rear bell. Can you start me 24 for someone else?
Yeah, do you need another car?
If there's one available, he's just a little out of it right now. Do you have a name, bub?
My name?
Yeah, what's your name?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Trey?
No. Money.
Money?
Yeah.
That's what people call you?
Yeah.
Okay, just hang tight, man. Just sit there. Where do you stay? Where?
Red Leaf.
Red Leaf.
Yeah.
That's not very close to here. Do you know
No. I was on Hattiesburg Pike.
Yeah. Do you know where you are now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I am literally Richardson.
You are right by Richardson. That's a good job.
Yeah, I just sat down here.
What are you doing up here?
I literally stopped to talk to Karma because they literally live right here.
Okay.
And clearly they just cleared out.
What drugs did you take today or last night?
I have not went to sleep
Why haven't you been to sleep?
because so Burgess, okay, so my friend and his baby mom, I guess he was cheating, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I was asleep and all I hear is just a boom, 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 just non-stop. So I wake up and I guess it was her trying to get in the house, breaking the house.
Mm-hmm.
And literally she was trying to break in. I guess he was cheating. And I'm trying, like, what's that going on? He's like, shh, what the heck you mean, shush? He's like, my girl. And it's literally another girl.
Mm-hmm.
She's right there. I'm like, man, what the heck is going on?
Do you remember the address?
I swear it's for something.
Is it like 48? Is it really close to here?
Yeah.
Okay. There was a call there earlier. You were staying there when this happened?
No, I wasn't standing.
Were you? Is that your buddy's place though? Where you were kicking it with him?
Yeah, I don't remember.
Would I be able to take you back there? Would you be able to stay there? Right now I think you're intoxicated, man.
I'm not intoxicated. I am not. Please don't put that on
Your
me.
pants are down.
Yeah, because I was taking them off. It was so hot.
I know, because that's what
It
drugs
was
do to
literally-
people.
No, I'm not.
It doesn't mean I'm gonna. I just want to take you someplace safe.
No, I'm fine. I was taking these off, and I was literally. I was gonna go to the park.
Well, you're not in any state to be out walking around.
No, I wasn't by the one. I was chilling. Please don't put that on. I am. I just needed to take a little catnap. I did so.
Well, we got some calls about you walking around, yelling, screaming, shouting, some stuff like that.
You know how many people out here are on drugs?
I know, that's my job to check on them.
Yeah, please do not put that on me.
Well, there's some medics here that are going to evaluate you, see if you're okay.
I'll take these off.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I'm fine.
Well, I would like to take you someplace safe, but you cannot be out here like this.
You can.
No, you can't. Like
No,
when
I said you can.
take you someplace?
Yeah.
Okay, let these guys talk to you and then we'll go that route. He's really coming too.
Okay, good. I just needed to take a nap.
It took about 2-3 minutes for him to speak.
Okay.
He's fairly coherent now.
You're Narcan?
I know. I didn't think Narcan was the issue.
Yeah, no, why is they trying to put that on? Why?
There's a lot of things that 34Os that aren't opiates.
Are you just sleeping?
Yeah, I was taking catnap.
Said he hasn't slept for a couple days.
No, I just said a couple of days.
He was doing the shouting and jumping around type of stuff.
All right. Where you at,
Did you
buddy?
see me, dude?
Where you at, buddy?
I'm on Richardson. Richardson's right here.
Where you at, man?
I said Richardson's right here.
All right. What's your name?
My name's Armani.
All right. What year is it?
23.
Do you want us?
No, I don't need you guys.
All right. You
Thank
sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
If you took some drugs, you could
No,
die
I
later.
did not.
All right. Sounds good, man. We'll see you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
Yep.
He just needed a few more minutes to perk up. All right, so where can I take you?
Take me 288.
288? 288
288 Midland.
Midland?
Yeah, but I'm literally
Who lives there? I know, I'll drive you there. The medics are all leaving.
Yeah.
It's just me and you now. It's not in any trouble at all. Where's your other shoe at?
That I literally think somebody, bruh, I'm going to stand up.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is hella ants over
Oh, shit. Yeah, you got all those sweets. Those ants probably like it.
Literally.
There's a pair of slides on the end down here. Those aren't yours, are they?
No, they're caramels.
Oh. Are those yours? Okay. So 288 Midland.
I'm literally fine to walk.
I don't want you walking, man. I'll give you a ride.
No, I'm okay. I'm literally okay. Like,
You're a little dazed and confused, man.
please, why are you trying to put that on me?
'Cause
Don't do that.
see it.
I'm not dazed or confused. I answered all the questions correctly that
You did.
you asked me. Okay. I know the law and my rights. I'm not dazed nor confused.
I don't want you passing
So,
out between here and there.
Why would I pass out? If I need it, I can. And I'm definitely okay. I literally just have a little sweet smell. Need some water. Get that off of
I
me.
don't have any water.
I know. I can get some. And I am okay.
Listen, Midland is only a couple streets over. I'd be
No,
happy to drop
that's
you off.
exactly what I'm saying. Highland and then so forth is right there. I am okay.
Okay. So you don't want to ride over there? You're 100% sure that you can make it on your own?
I am 1,000%
And you wouldn't
sure.
appreciate a ride? Like, it's really easy, I'm sure.
No,
I might have a couple stickers for you.
No, literally would not
Yeah,
feel
I'll give you some.
comfortable in front of kids.
I mean, so you're not too tired for a
I
ride?
am not too
All
tired.
right, man. I'll let you go.
Thank you, and I
You want
appreciate it.
Armand?
Armani.
Armani?
They are like the suit.
All right.
The suit. Thank you.
You be careful. If I catch you passed out, I'm gonna take you to the
and
hospital.
That's a whole,
All right. You got any friends? You got any brothers and sisters? How many do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
So that's how many people?
I think
5?
my mom got 10 kids.
How many live with you? How many live with you? How many?
My mom got 10 kids.
How many kids live in your house?
10.
No, you don't have 10 people live in your house.
Because it's 1, 2.
Here, I've got 7 stickers. There you go. Share them with your brothers and sisters, okay? Alright, you have a good day.